Yeah, hello everyone, Martin here. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how you can check for your assets. Once assets have been transferred to you, where you go to check for it. So you log into your Ubitex account, then you click under your account here, and then you go down to assets. All right, then you go to your spot accounts. All right, so assets, and then let me go back again. Yeah, so assets and then sports. All right, so if you go to your sport account, and then you will now search for the asset. In this case, it will be USDT. All right, USDT. It will appear here. And then, yeah, so if you have any assets, any USDT, you will see them there. So is that easy? All right, you see them right there. Okay, so later I'll be showing you how you can move them. Okay, you transfer them from here. So you now transfer from sports. You transfer from sports. We'll transfer it from sports, all right, to N. That's how you do it, from sport to N, and then you confirm the amount you want to transfer, whether it's all or this amount you want to specify. Then you click on the confirm button. Then the amount will be transferred from your sport wallet to your N wallet. So you are going to do the staking from your N wallet. All right. All right. So this is where I'll draw the line. This is where I sign up. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.